In this video, we'll have our first peek inside the WordPress dashboard. So here is what a freshly installed WordPress site looks like from the user view. And we'll get into the dashboard, which is the control center, momentarily. So every starter WordPress site has a single post called Hello World and a single page called Sample Page. Now, this is the 5.3 version of WordPress. Yours may look a little different because each version of WordPress comes with its own pre-installed theme. This is the 2020 theme. Okay, so this site is configured as a blog, meaning that the home page, which is the default page here, has your posts in reverse chronological order. And typically this here would go on the sidebar. This is an odd theme that does this by putting the sidebar below the center page, but whatever. So we're actually logged into the dashboard already here, as you can see by this ribbon. And if you want to go into the dashboard, you could also click this dashboard here. But let's assume that we're not logged in. I'm going to log out here. So here's how you log into a WordPress site if you just know the site URL. Now I'm on local server here. You can see example2.dev.cc. That's local server. So you append WP admin to the URL as such and enter. And that takes you to your login, and I'm just going to go and log in using my credentials. And that will take you directly to the dashboard. So let's quickly go through the major WordPress dashboard options. We got the posts, is all posts, and I want you to go ahead and delete or trash the Hello World post. It's not actually deleted, it's put into the trash folder, and you can retrieve it later if you like. Media is where all your photos and graphics reside. We'll get into this later. Pages is where all your pages reside. Let's delete the sample page or trash the sample page. Appearance is where your themes and theme options generally sit. Plugins is where your plugins sit. We'll discuss this later. Users, if you want to add other users than yourself. Tools and settings we'll also get in later.